my goodness, hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing whatever I want, period.
Back, split that. I ain't worried about where your kids at. You get back to him, tell him I just rent that. I get it back to him, I was on the E-way.
So as you can tell, I am wearing an orange two-piece outfit. This is how it looks in the back. Who made this? Me. I made it. Crocheted it. Yeah, so I'm starting to try to make, new tops and whatnot, and not tops, but I'm trying to, not new, but I'm trying to make crochet tops and try to sell them. So this is like one of the full outfits, well, just one, basically, one outfit that I did. I like it. It's just that I have big boobs, so it's like the side part is not gonna cinch in the boob like how I want it to be. So it's supposed to be like that, but my boobs want to do whatever they want to do, so it's like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the tops that I made so far. You guys see the boob? Yeah, I'm gonna show you the tops that I made so far. Since I've been in quarantine, because during quarantine time or during this pandemic, people are doing self-care, learning new activities, new things. I've been crocheting for since I was in middle school, 6th grade, middle school, 7th. I was crocheting since then, but I haven't really made any tops or anything. But I did make a top before. That's probably like a few years, like my freshman year of college. I'm a graduate now. Life update. I'm a graduate. I graduated Claflin University with the BA in psychology. So yeah, but I didn't walk across the stage until, well, I won't walk across the stage until December. But yeah, let me show you my diploma. So this is my diploma. Yeah. Graduate at Claflin University. Oh shoot, but they really didn't give me the book is supposed to come in, like when you get from high school. They really didn't give me the book, so I guess I'm gonna get that once I walk across the stage during December. What else been going on since then? Black Lives Matter movement is going on. That's what it's called. Black Lives Matter has become a serious situation during this time. Police brutality is becoming crazy during this time. George Floyd was actually murdered by a cop by kneeling on his neck, saying that he couldn't breathe. And 4 cops actually that are being charged with third-degree murder or third-degree murder. I think all 4 of them are being charged with that. And there are other people who are also murdered or have been murdered by police during these times as well. Recently, what's that girl, Breonna Taylor? Breonna Taylor also has been murdered by a police officer. Police officers, actually. And it's just crazy right now because everybody is like in a weird space. We were just lifting curfew from quarantine, and now it's police officers killing people, and it's just a lot going on right now that we can't really express ourselves as much. But a lot of people are expressing themselves in different ways that are not good, like the looting and stuff like that, breaking buildings, and a lot of people are not having jobs to go back to after quarantine has been lifted, or not quarantine, as the coronaviruses have been gone. So a lot of people's jobs are gone at this moment. I'm currently don't work anywhere at this point because during this whole pandemic, graduating from school and then not coming out to a job because of quarantine and pandemic, coronavirus and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm home trying to make my own business with crocheting. That's what I should be doing. So let me show you guys my tops that I've been making. So what I'm going to show you in this video today is first thing you will need in order to crochet is crochet hooks. You can't crochet or do any type of design if you don't have crochet hooks. So I have all these crochet hooks right here. I actually do need more crochet hooks because these are, some of them are like small, but I also want like big ones. But I have this one, which is the 375. This one is the 8. This one is a 425 millimeter. And then I have the little small ones. You can make like crochet hooks, or not crochet hooks, but like you can make chokers out of these with the little small ones. You really can't tell. These are like metal. I like the ones that have these on it because they are easy to grip instead of this one that actually slides off. And then I have like 2 5 millimeter. This is basically the most essential one that you will use when you're crocheting with a lot of stuff because yarn is kind of bulky, and mostly a lot of crocheters that I see use the 5 millimeter or 5.5 millimeter hooks. And this is my last one, my 525 millimeter hook. So you can't crochet without using any of these needles because, baby, these are essential, okay? So I have these. They cost a lot of money. Second thing that you would need in order for you to crochet is that you need, if you're measuring somebody, you would need to have a measuring tape so you can measure like the boobs, the waist, the thigh, the arm, the neck, whatever you need. You need this because if you don't have this, how are you going to measure boobs, thighs, hips, waist, whatever? Essential. Second, what I picked up when I'm crocheting is these beads. I was going to incorporate these beads in some of the tops or some of the dresses I was going to make, or like I also was going to put it in my hair, but I don't know. I got these beads. Also, what you would need if you're going to learn how to crochet is that you need yarn. So this is my basket of yarn. I can get this as a thumbnail. This is my basket of yarn. I've just recently bought all these yarns because I want to start back crocheting. Who was that? UPS. Is that my shit? They turning around? The damn, they driving fast. Anyway, so this is all the yarn I have. Turn back around fast. Anyway, I'm getting really distracted. So these are the yarns I've been using. Recently I bought big bolts for these. So this is a big bolt. This was a big bolt, the orange one I have on, and then I have like this color right here that has like, I don't know if you can tell, it has different colors, like baby colors. So I don't know what I'm gonna make out of that. I really want to make something out of this mustard color, but I don't know what I want to make out of this yet. And I'm just gonna make my sister a top, even though I made her a top but she don't like it, so I'm gonna show you the top that I actually made for her but she didn't like it. So, and she's standing right there unappreciative of the top that I made her. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with I'm not done. So I'm gonna show you, I got this so I can hang my stuff up on. I'm gonna insert a clip of me taking a picture of this shirt on top of this. This is a little display mannequin. She has like the little crotch thing. She just hollow in the back, so she flat in the back. Not like me, I'm a little plump in the back, but this is flat. So I got her. She's a size 5 to 10, so I can make stuff out of this. And yeah, so I can like hang it up and stuff like that. So if I want to like sell stuff, I have this to put it on. So, and this outfit I will actually show you in the picture. I'm going to insert whatever here so I can show you how this outfit is supposed to be styled on a mannequin, or how you want to style it. It's like different ways you can style this outfit that I have on. Okay, as you can tell over here, these are tops. They look like crochet tops. Keisha, what are you gonna do with these crochet tops? I'm gonna show you the tops that I made. I made like 5 tops, including this. So 5 in total. I made 5 tops. So this top right here is the top that I made for my sister. I didn't finish it. because I needed to make the back part. I didn't make a back part, but she didn't like it because it didn't cinch how she wanted. But this is how it looks. It's a little cross in the front, so it has a lot of coverage. And these are the wings on the side. I have a similar one like this. I'll show you how it actually supposed to look, but I didn't have enough yarn to make it. But I have another. I might use. Okay, I'm sorry. My camera actually cut off. Anyway, so this top that I actually made her. So I don't know if I wanted to incorporate this into it, but it'd be two different colors because this right here is like a soft, like a material. So it's like really good. And this is like a cotton material, so it's like really thick. This is like breathable. This is breathable too, but it'll make you hot. But this is like more breathable. So I made this top. Second top. It's the same as that top, but this was the first one the first crochet top I actually made since I've been home. So it's this top, and this is how the straps look on the side. I'm gonna actually put it on the mannequin so you can see how it's supposed to look. I'm gonna actually put all these on the mannequin except that one because that's not really done. But this is how it looks. It's crossed in the front. I'm sorry, and then it's tied at the top. So, and it cinches at the bottom. Don't mind that. I need to sew that back in. And then this is how the top looks on the mannequin. Yeah, it's really pretty. I also have this bobby pin here because my sister was my model for this one. When I posted on Instagram, I'll insert a picture here. She didn't like her boobs out, so I put a safety pin because it's like a little booby. And yeah, so this is how it looks. This is how the back looks. Don't mind the back is like, the straps is kind of long and it's kind of gonna be like that. So this is how the top looks around your neck. Yeah, pretty, right? Really pretty. Too much. So I'm gonna show you guys the second top. This is the top that I model, and I'm gonna insert a picture of me here with the top and modeling it. These are all the different types of ways that I modeled it, but it's basically the same top. But it's raining real hard. Anyway, this is the top that I made for myself. Very detailed top. I saw a girl do this on, well, you know the trend that's going around right now. It was the t-shirt and you cut little slits in it. So I made a crochet one out of it. So kids, don't mind hair like really good. Don't look like this. This is the top that is supposed to look like this. This is how it looks. Details. The reason why it looks like this and different on my body is because I'm actually pulling the back right now, because it fit my boobs, but this is how it would look on someone who has smaller boobs. This is the details. This is how the strap looks. It looks pretty good, right? I'm getting the hang of this. I really like it on the mannequin because it actually shows the details more than with me because my boobs are too big and you can't really tell the details because like my boobs cover up the part that is. Yeah. Anyway, this last top is what I made. It is called the diamond top, diamond shaped top, or heart top. You can call it whatever you want. I made this. I saw a girl make a diamond top or a heart top. I was like, ooh, I want to create that. So I made my own. I'm gonna insert a picture of me wearing it, and probably insert a picture of me. Well, not me. I insert a picture of my aunt wearing it. And yeah, this is a pretty cute top for people who like to have like, you know, not them. They don't. I don't know how to say it. Okay, so my camera cut off again. So right now I am. Don't pay attention to me. I am putting the top on the mannequin so I can show you guys how it actually looks on a person. Maybe a person with small boobs. I'm gonna show you how it will look on a person who has big boobs like me, or bigger boobs like me, who have the same size as me. So my tops, I realized when I made my tops, I like my tops to be adjustable, so it can adjust to your boobs or not. Some people like tight fitted stuff, so like under boobs and stuff like that. Not me, because my boobs will hang too low for that. So this is anyway, this is how this one looks. being on my body. My body was this small again. So this is the diamond top. My aunt modeled this for me too. She took a picture, but don't mind her hair and stuff like that because she had just woke up. So this is how the top looks, and this is how the back looks. Cute, cute, cute. Imagine summertime, out with your friends. This with a mini skirt, right? Or some shorts, some booty shorts. This top, honey, fleek, fleek, fleek. We don't care if you got rolls in the back. I got rolls in the back, and I'm still rocking it. Period. So this is how this top looks. It's a diamond heart top, V-neck, gray. It's cute. So that's all I have for you guys today in my video. I really wanted to show you guys what I've been doing since quarantine, pandemic, all that's going on right now in the world. This is what I've been doing, passing the time by, and also playing Sims. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. And if you stayed all the way through this video, comment what top that you liked out of this video. What type would you rock? What color? It does not matter. But I will see y'all guys in my next video, whenever that's going to be, because girl, I don't know. So, bye. Oh my goodness, hello! Welcome back to my channel. Lashes makes me look